Join me mo install this my lace frontal wig. So I make this wig for myself. I bring her heart to the card. Don't get this wig for a very long time. So I can't coil am, say make I fix am for the Christmas. So may I still look good. Since I don't buy Christmas clothes, I can also okay, make I still look good for head. So before I start, I'll first use my foundation to tint this part, this center part. I'll take tint and so that it will look natural. So I'll use this hot comb to brush all this one in. This glue and this melting spray now I want to use for this installation. Very simple and easy. So I'm not to apply too much layers because I'm waiting. I'm waiting. I want carry it till maybe I pick in 1 or 2 days. I'll remove them. So if I want to apply the glue, I'll apply it like 1 inch away from my natural hair. So see my natural hair for start. So I will start from somewhere here. So I now will apply the glue for my hair, just somewhere here. Now we'll apply. So if you watch me, just watch the process. It's very easy and simple. Then I'll blow dry. I don't use the hot one, I just the cold one. Make it dry. Because once it dry, they show white like this. If you don't say that they sticky before you place the lace on top. And then they gum. So before you place the lace on top, you see how. So this lace, they cover my hair, my tree. I'm not smart for the sweet they do. So now to just use this band, take tie around for like maybe 2-3 minutes or 5 minutes. It depends on how you take get time. If you still leave and reach more than. So this time now I want cut off the excess lace. So I use this my razor blade. For this part, now they rush for this part too. So they do slow and steady. And the thing laid down perfect. So you see lay down perfect. So now just for me to apply melting spray. So this melting spray, I'll use my eyeshadow brush to apply on like this, small. Then I'll come with my band again, take tie like so.